Hello students, let me explain the basics of dynamics. Dynamics is a branch of mechanics. Mechanics is divided into static and dynamic. Statics is studied about when the bodies are at rest. Dynamics are studied about the bodies in motion. Dynamics can be divided into two. One is kinematics, the other is kinetics. Kinematics is deals about the forces which is not taken into account. Kinetic forces taken into account. Let me define dynamics. Dynamics is the branch of mechanics concerned with the motion of bodies under the action of forces. What is motion? Motion is the change of position with a given interval of time. There are three types of motion. The first one is linear motion, the second is rotatory motion, and the third one is oscillatory motion. There are two types of linear motion. One is rectilinear motion, the other is curvilinear motion. Rectilinear motion is when the body moves in a straight line, and curvilinear motion is the motion in a curved shape. Driving a car in a straight road is an example for rectilinear motion. Hitting a baseball is an example for curvilinear motion. Next, rotatory motion. Rotatory motion is when the object rotates or spins on an axis. Table fan is a very good example for rotatory motion. Oscillatory motion is the to and fro motion of an object from its mean position. Simple pendulum is an example for oscillatory motion. Let's see some basic definitions. What is scalar? The scalar quantity is a quantity that has magnitude only and has no direction in space. Examples of scalar quantities are length, area, volume, time, and mass. A vector quantity is a quantity that has both magnitude and a direction in space. Examples of vector quantities: displacement, velocity, acceleration, and force. We often see the word distance and displacement while solving the problem. You must understand what is the difference between distance and displacement. Distance is the path length between initial and final position. It is otherwise called as total length, whereas displacement is the minimum distance between the initial and the final position of the body during the time interval. Few more basic definitions. Speed. Speed is the distance traveled by a body in unit time intervals. Velocity, the rate of change of displacement. Acceleration, the rate of change of velocity. You must understand few basic concepts for problem solving. The resultant of two vectors, the parallelogram law, and the triangle law. Resultant of two vectors. The resultant is the sum or the combined effect of two vector quantities. Let me explain an example. Vector in the same direction. So here we are having the vectors in the same direction. So the resultant will also be in the same direction. When the vectors in opposite direction, we will get the resultant in the direction which has the maximum value. Next, parallelogram law. When two vectors are joined tail to tail, complete the parallelogram. The resultant is found by drawing the diagonal. The triangle law. When two vectors are joined head to tail, draw the resultant vector by completing the triangle. These are all the basic units we often use in dynamics. MK unit, 3J unit, SPS unit. Length, mass and time are noted as meter, kilogram, second in MK unit, centimeter, gram, second in CJ unit, foot, pound, second in FPS unit. Hope you enjoy the section. Thank you.